Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? So today we are going to continue with our exercise number 1A of your book 1, page number 13. And the topic for this today is cube root. Before, in the previous lesson, we have done how to find out the square root of by using the prime factorization. Here, in the question number 3, C part, we have to find out 3375's cube root by using the prime factorization. That is the most important point, that we want to find out the prime factorization. How to find out the prime factorization? That you have the idea, but the only new thing is over here, that what is this sign? In last lesson, we have done only this sign, which means square root, and square root value is equal to 1 by 2. Today's sign is this sign, and outside it is written 3. This is the sign of cube root. This is the sign of cube root, and this is equal to 1 by 3. Its value is 1 by 3. This was square root, which we have done yesterday. This is square root, and its value is 1 by 2. This is cube root. Its value is 1 by 3. But both of the square root and the cube root, according to the question, we have to solve by using the prime factorization. So let's start by using the prime factorization. What will be the factors? We are going to find out. It is 3375, and we are going to find out its prime factorization. Let's start. We are going to start with this one. As you can see, the last digit is 5. It means it cannot be divisible by 2. But we can identify, is it divisible by 3? How we can identify that? See, 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is the sum of all these numbers. So is 18 divisible by 3? Yes, we can divide 18 divisible. 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. So let's start with the 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. And the next number will be 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now the next is, again, let's start. Let me check that 1 and 1 and 2 and 5, they are divisible by 3 or no? 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8, plus 1, 9. So as we know that the 9 is divisible by 3, so I can divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9, 10 and 11. 2 will be here. 3 7s are 21, and then 3 5s are 15. We can divide it by 3 again or no? Let me check. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Then 1 carry, it becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. Clear? So 3 times we can divide this number by 3. Now 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. So we will move to the next prime number, which is 5. So let's try it with the 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Again with 5. 5 5s are 25. And one more time, still we have the number 5 with us. So we can do one more time over here. 5 1s are 5. When you get the last digit 1, so it means that now the time is that how you have to find out the cube root. So my dear students, first of all, we will write 3375. Cube root of this is equal to all the prime factors. 1, 2, and 3 times 3. 1, 2, and 3 times 5. And cube root of that 2. Remember, this 3 outside means it's a cube root. When we're done with the square root, I told you that you have to make a pair of 2 values. But here, as we have 3 values and we want to find out the cube root, so remember, there must be 3 values, because cube root value is 1 by 3, so we can cancel them easily. Clear? It is 1 2 3, 3 raised to power 3. and this is 5 raised to power 3. As this is 3 power 3, this is 5 raised to power 3, and outside it's a cube root sign. What's the value of the cube root? Yes, the value of the cube root is 1 by 3. And the most important point over here, as they both have the same power, so we can write them in the bracket, and the same power outside collectively you can write, and that will be multiplied with outside 1 by 3. They both will be cancelled with each other, and we have the answer of your question, only the bracket values. So the bracket values are 3 5s are 15, and that's your answer. Clear? I'm going to repeat it. Just look at this. I'm going to repeat the question. This is your question number 3C part. And we know that we want to find out the prime factorization. We have to use the prime factorization to find out the cube root. In the previous parts, A part and B part, we have done the square root, and we know that the square root value is 1 by 2 and the cube root value is 1 by 3 for today's topic. First of all, do the prime factorization, and prime factorization you have to do only by using the prime numbers. And we have done all the prime factorization, and we get the factors 3 times 3 and 5. 5 is also 3 times. 3 raised to 3 is coming 3 times. We can write it as 3 raised to power 3. 5 is coming also 3 times. So it will be 5 raised to power 3. And as we know that the cube root has the value 1 by 3, we can change it. 3 and 5, the both numbers have the power 3. We can write the power outside as a common power, and then 3 and 1 by 3 will be cancelled with each other, and 1 will be left only. So 1 we are not writing. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, and that's your answer. I hope so that you understand today's topic. Thank you so much.